Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Saddle token. Saddle Finance, ticker symbol is SDL. This token is just about to be listed on a central exchange September 23rd. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So SDL, like I said, is the ticker symbol for this token. You can find their Twitter at Saddle Finance. So this token is just about to be listed September 23rd, 7 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, by the time I upload this video, it'll most likely be September 23rd, 7 o'clock UTC time. So all you'd have to do if you don't have an Mexc account is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SDL, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So on their Twitter, they actually have 15,800 followers. You can find a full link tree on their Twitter as well. And if you want to find their webpage, it is saddle.finance. So this is a multi-chain open source automated market maker for low slippage stable swaps. So it says low slippage swaps for every corner of DeFi. They have their own Saddle app on their webpage. It's in the top right-hand corner. It says Saddle is a decentralized automated market maker on the Ethereum blockchain, optimized for peg value crypto assets such as stablecoins and wrapped bitcoins. We believe in collaboration in building Saddle as a DeFi Lego block and in helping DeFi teams bring pegged asset swaps to any blockchain or L2. On their webpage, they have a link to their Twitter. They have, looks like blogs, probably Medium articles, DeFiPulse.com, their Discord, GitHub, Telegram, Snapshot.org, and a different community page, it looks like, as well. They also have like a little chat box in the corner that you could chat with if you want to, if you need help with something. So it says Saddle enables cheap, efficient, swift, and low slippage swaps for traders and high yield pools for LPs. Saddle's open source stable swaps implementation and Solidity is the pillar for many DeFi projects across different verticals and blockchains. So they have featured pools on their webpage. They have one with called the D4 pool. Then they have one called TBTC Meta Pool, Stablecoin Pool, V2, etc. They have different pools there you can get involved with. Saddle's pools are growing quickly, and we expect more pools to be launched in the coming months. Follow us on Twitter or Discord to get the latest updates. So it's got efficient trading, build wealth over time by earning additional income on your crypto assets from trading fees and other incentives. It's got advanced features, so Saddle supports flash loans and virtual swaps with more features to come. With flash loans, you can borrow instantly without collateral. With virtual swaps, you can make very large trades with low slippage thanks to synths. And it also has DeFi natives. So Saddle is built by DeFi natives with years of prior experience at Web2 companies like Uber, Amazon, and Square. As regular DeFi users ourselves, we've seen firsthand how important and active and vibrant the community is for a project's success. We know Web 2, but we know Web 3 better. So it says they're supporting Paraswap, 1inch, and Matcha, DeFi's top aggregators, platforms, and projects leveraging Saddle's deep liquidity for trades. They also have a bunch of audits, like a lot of audits on here. So they have a full CertiK audit that you could view. They also have an Open Zeppelin audit, and they also have a QuantStap audit. So yeah, 3 audits and one by CertiK, which is like the DeFi leading crypto auditor. So that's great. So it says Saddle is a decentralized automated market maker on the Ethereum blockchain optimized for pegged value crypto assets such as stablecoin and wrapped Bitcoin. So they do have a roadmap on their page here. Let's check that out here. So Saddle's roadmap says in January 2021, Saddle launched with the goal of bringing an AMA optimized for peg value crypto assets to every chain starting with Ethereum. Saddle's launch was on the heels of a DeFi Alliance talk in November 2020, with Saddle founder Sunil sharing his vision of using synthetic assets supported by synthetics to bridge efficiently across pools. The January launch also came with guarded proof of governance, which restricted LPing capabilities to addresses with a record of governance for key protocols. The guarded launch, which helped stabilize the first month of the protocol, was also an exercise in new forms of reputation based on on-chain activities. SDL token launch on November 16th. Saddle launched the SDL token, the governance token for the Saddle ecosystem. SDL was airdropped to community members who have been involved in the Saddle ecosystem and protocol throughout the year and will be available for general trading and buying in 3 to 12 months, depending on governance. For those who are not airdropped, SDL can be earned by LPing plus staking on Saddle through newly announced B4B program. To learn more about SDL's tokenomics and the airdrop details, you can click on a link here and it'll take you over there. In 2021, they had partnership announcements with Saddle. And then it says they continue to improve liquidity opportunities, user experience, swap efficiency. Then later on, they launched the BTC Pool V2, the Meta Pool. I already named all those pools, actually. We don't need to go over that again. So yeah, then they had their Virtual Swap V2 come out, more utilities and benefits. Looks like they have NFTs as well, Saddle-themed DeFi Passport NFTs, cross-chain support, all sorts of info on here. So yeah, that's basically, there's some more on the roadmap here, but I'd like to actually go to see if they have the tokenomics here. SDL's tokenomics. It says it's a DAO governance token, max supply 1 billion tokens. 51% of the SDL Genesis supply is located to Saddle community members. 15% is vested over 2 to 3 years. And what else? Pools are on Ethereum and Arbitrum. And yeah, it's allocated between investors, team members, advisors. There's liquidity mining, community programs, governance, treasury. Yeah, that's about it. So check this all out. You can find what I was reading at blog.saddle.finance, or you could check out saddle.finance. And like I said, this token will be listed on the 23rd for purchase on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about Saddle Finance? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.